How to find buried treasure in Minecraft Bedrock. So just simply go to your treasure map, and when you go to a location where, as you can see, it like reveals some land, that means you're going to the right direction. And as you can see now, I have now the cursor, and just point the cursor of your pointer in the map towards the cross and just simply go right there. Just simply wait till you arrive at that location, and just make sure to align yourself towards the X. So there should be 3 pixels on the bottom. So the red dot right there, there should be 3 pixels and 4 pixels on the top. So, and once that's done, you just simply need to go down. So let's just check again. So it's still right there. Now we're just gonna simply dig up right here towards like this. And now, as you can see, we now have found the treasure buried, and when we open it up, it's right there. That's how I basically find the buried treasure in Minecraft.